Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I know there's been a long time since my last video went live, but today I decided to change that by coming out into the sunshine. It's a wonderful Friday afternoon to do a bit of the car spotting action here in the center of Zagreb. I'm currently sitting in the back parking space, some around the back of a 5-star hotel here in the center of Zagreb, where I have filmed a lot of videos before, but today there are a lot of nice cars here, and when I say a lot I mean two cars in particular: the Rolls-Royce Wraith, which is just around the corner, and the Ferrari GTC4Lusso, which is sitting up front of the hotel. So without any more further ado, let's jump straight into today's video and finally get back to the good old car spotting videos. So, as I'm still not 18 years old without my driving license, I cannot drive around the city and do that kind of car spotting, so I had to get my bicycle out to do the job. So here it is, if you ever wondered. So, to start the things off, let's get straight to the parking space and show you the Rolls-Royce Wraith I'm talking about. Here it is, the Rolls-Royce Wraith. This one is on Monaco plates, and as you can see, in a quite a nice but at the same time maybe controversial spec. I personally do like it, especially the wheels on the back and the center caps, which do not move around, they stay in this position, so the R is always displayed. Yeah, really do like this spec, and especially the body shape of the Wraith. It's this kind of a coupe, so it's not too big as the Phantom. It's the sporty Rolls-Royce, as they say, V12 up front. Absolutely fantastic. Take a closer look at the interior. So we have the black seats with red details, and of course white leather on the dash and on the door inserts over here. But overall, very nice specification. And I've never been inside, but I believe the passengers on the rear also have good legroom since it's a Rolls-Royce, but still keeping the coupe/sporty shape, which keeps the car's weight and sides down and adds up to the sports characteristics, which the Phantom, in my opinion, maybe lacks when compared to the Wraith. It's time to leave the Rolls-Royce here and just quickly check on my bike if it's still here, because I did not bring the chain with me. Okay, so it's still there. And now it's time to go to the front of the hotel to check out the GTC4Lusso. So here is the Ferrari GTC4Lusso. I've seen this car in Zagreb quite a few times right by now, and I have to say this is one of my favorite Ferraris because of the practicality and of course the engine. This is the V12, not the Lusso T, so it has a wonderful exhaust note, but it also features a very nice brown leather interior. I've sat inside it, and all I can say is that I was really impressed and fell in love with the car. The one thing I really do like about this specification is of course the blue color, which makes this car not really in your face. Many people do not recognize it's a Ferrari because of the car's shape and the color, but also the Italian flag above the Ferrari badge really makes this car stand out. Absolutely love this car. Big thumbs up for the GTC4Lusso. This is my next destination for the day. Garage of the shopping center. There were some nice cars here when I was here a few weeks ago. Maybe we will have luck today. Let's see. So, inside the garage, this has all been refurbished recently, so it is a nice looking garage. But most importantly, here we have a certain Porsche under the cover. All I know is this car is yellow. I do not know what exact model this is, to be honest. I forgot. I actually knew what this is, but here you can see, if you can see, the yellow wheels. They match perfectly with the car. So one more sight at the wheels, so you can see this is an extremely good condition car, almost never driven, but hey, it's very nice to see it. So yeah, there we have it, an old Porsche. Here we have the Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG. Very nice car, has to be said, but unfortunately this is not something I think I would buy, but must be said, this is an amazing looking car. It's a luxury sedan, and especially with the S63 model you get a certain degree more of performance, which makes the driving more enjoyable and sporty, but at the same time in extreme luxury. This is nice, AMG C63S, all black spec with red calipers. Now you join me in yet another garage here in the center of Zagreb, very near, relatively near to the hotel I was at. So here, for the start, we have this old Mercedes under the cover. Looks nice. Over here we have the black Audi S7 with the spoiler left opened. Love this car, but still I think the RS6 is my favorite. Although this is not the RS7, but I prefer the body style of the A6 event and therefore the RS6. Last time I was here I spotted a Porsche 911 991.1 GTS alongside a Panamera and a 991.2 Carrera 4S I think, and a 997 Turbo, which is hard to beat, but I will try and find at least some of the cars today. Still haven't found them, but at least we have another floor to go and search for them. So, let's see. Yes! I found the Porsche 911 997 generation Turbo S. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see it because it is under the cover, but at least it is a cool spot. There it is, the 991.1 GTS. I absolutely love that car, and I'm so happy to find it again here. Unfortunately, the Panamera is not sitting alongside it, but the bonus is we are going to get a clear side view of the car. Last time I was here, the Panamera was parked over here, meaning I couldn't see the car's profile, but today we got lucky. So here is the 911 GTS, and must be said, this car looks absolutely stunning in person. Yeah, it may get lost in terms of its presence in a crowd of Ferraris and Lamborghinis, but when you see it in flesh like this, you really do start to appreciate the car's sculpture. So yes, I really do love the 911 GTS, but I must say my dream Porsche is the 991.2 GT3. But this is very close to that car, but of course it lacks the ring and the sound, a bit of the sound. So guys, I've actually come here. There is yet another garage to check out some cars, but unfortunately there wasn't any cars around, so I decided to end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you have enjoyed it. Leave a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my future videos. And I gotta say, I'm very happy that I'm back to making videos.